Hi guys, Redbeard here from the Self-Reliant Self-Preservation Guild, and as I said I would, I'm going to attempt to make some synthetic, being artificial fatwood. At work today I found a piece of wood from a pallet, a skid pallet, and I thought, well, geez, that looks like good wood. I think it's either ash or oak. I'm not sure, probably oak, and I thought, hey, if I baton that into small segments, which I did, these are about, I don't know, 1/4 inch by 3-4 inch pieces of segments of wood. And I'm going to take some petroleum jelly and render it down in a pan, which I've got on the stove low. I'm going to liquefy that and poach these sticks in there. Hopefully they will absorb the petroleum jelly, and then I'll let them kind of drip off after maybe sitting in there for about an hour, and then I'm hoping there'll be a petroleum jelly penetrated piece of wood for tinder. So hopefully this will work. Stay tuned. See if we can put it together. You want to be careful rendering this down, because once it liquefies, like any fat, it becomes thin like water. So you're stirring too fast, it splashes, it gets on you, it sucks. Oil burns suck. So take your time, take it slow, and as you can see, this Vaseline is almost fully rendered. Once that's liquefied, in with the sticks. Alright, so the petroleum jelly, Vaseline, is in fact liquid now. Gone from a solid state, or semi-solid state, to a liquid state now. So in with these sticks that I've batoned. Alright. We'll sort of use our spoon here and stir them around, get them all sort of saturated. As you can see from the froth, that there's some moisture in that wood still. So as I simmer this, that moisture will come out and evaporate away, which will be great, and allow that petroleum jelly to penetrate into the wood. Alright guys, so without taking a terribly long time to do this, I thought I would take a minute and pull one of the pieces out of the wood, or out of the oil, out of the petroleum jelly, at around 10 minutes. And as you can see from the look, if I get the focus just right, it looks like fatwood, like it looks oil saturated. And I'm using a candle so I can do this with my phone in my hand, but you'll see you have fatwood, flame, boom, instant light, and big heat. So that's pretty cool. And that's just a very short time. I'm going to douse that. That's a very short time in the petroleum jelly. If I let that sit longer, it's going to soak up even more. So another cool thing is, I take the piece of wood, it can get totally soaking wet. Shake it off into the fire source. Once that water goes, see what I'm doing here. Boom. Away we go again with fire. It's a firecracker. It's exciting. But boom, we got some fake fatwood. Exciting. Right on. So that can be done. And that was with hardwood. If you used softwood like pine or spruce or something like that, you're going to get a better absorption but a faster burn. So I've got the remainder of my pieces still simmering away here in petroleum jelly. It stinks. It smells like a melted tire, I'll be honest, but you might want to do this outside. But that works. Pretty cool process. Anyways guys, thanks for your interest, and hope you found that useful, and I'd like to see you guys make some of your own. Cheers. Take care guys. This is Redbeard. Have a good night.